Good morning from us. Welcome to Camp Wandaringa. We now have a new tent after 4 attempts of the other tent we had. We just decided to upgrade a little bit due to the weather conditions we've had, and we needed something a bit more solid. So here we go. This is our bed, my night table, Malia's bed, Tala's bed, which I just put down during the night. But when we have it up, it's a bit more room to walk around. My suitcase. Michu is very happy living in a bag, while the kids, I need some sort of organization. So this is Tala's side, and this is Malia's side. We got the battery under here, which shows us how many amps we got. Which shows us how much power we have, how many amps are pushing in and out, how long it is to empty, or how long it takes to charge up when it is empty. We got the fridge, we got a charging station, and all the things you need for charging in the box. Very, very happy with this tent. It is a 430 Wanderer Tour Extreme, and we got beautiful nice poles, very good hinges, and lots of these ropes all through it, so it won't move. We had 120 k's wind the other night and it didn't move. It's very good windows that can stay open when it's raining, or you can fold them all the way up as well. Super easy to put up, it takes about 2 minutes. It's a circle at the top that we just push up, and the hinges pretty much does themselves. The only thing we have to put in is this one, which threads all the way through, and then obviously the cover on top. But yeah, all up about 2 minutes to put up. And we got Micha. What are you up to, Mitch?
We're doing research on the boat ramps at Torquay,
which is our next stop, and he does research every morning, which is great. We got all the cups and things we need for cooking in here. We got a pantry over here, and we got a present for Mitchell's mom and dad, and with a gas cooker. So thank you heaps for that, because that made life so much easier. We got the utility box in here, and we got the kids' play tent. Due to the other one being a 10 people tent, and this one is only 7, obviously it's a bit less room, so it's good to have somewhere the kids can play. Malia's chair, Tala's chair, and our chairs. This is all the stuff that we can't fit inside the tent. Normally there's water cans there too, but they are in the car. But all the fuel, skis, toolboxes, and surfboards. There's the solar panel over here, and look at this beautiful property, Wandaringa farm. Absolutely recommend it. Yeah, that's about it. What do you say, Malia? What do you say? Bang bang. Oh yeah, and the boats are beautiful boats.